Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today we will make something special and delicious recipe, and I call it crab and cream cheese wontons. Okay, so to prepare this, we have to soften. This cream cheese has been softened already, and then we will put in this our bowl. Okay, and we will add some salt and garlic and some sugar and some sesame oil. Tag 1 teaspoon lang ah. Okay. And then we will mash this and blend this together. And then we will add, once this is thoroughly mixed, once this is thoroughly mixed, we will add our crab. I also have, this is the cream cheese is 1 cup. And then this is crab is also 1 cup. May kita pa ko nga shell, oh. Okay. So we will blend them all together. And then, this is chopped green onions. So, dali lang, I'll come back to you. So, I have thoroughly mixed all the cream cheese and the crab and salt, sugar, and sesame oil. Now, I have here some wonton wrappers and I am ready to wrap it. Dali lang, ha? Okay. We will make, ito, dali lang, brother, do ka kulang cream cheese yan, ihaw. Seems like, ay hala, dali lang. Tiendo ka kulang nga atong cream cheese, guro dugangan ta cream cheese ay. Okay. So here we are. Yeah. So I am using less than teaspoon of the cream cheese and crab. And then I will wrap it here. There. And then after this, we'll fry. Pero though it seems na I will take a long time for this to wrap everything. Dali lang. Hey, look here. I have wrapped 46. Basta less than 50 of this. No, so I think we will not fry everything. We just fry half of it. So dali lang prituhon ko anay. See you. So this is our fried recipe. And then I will garnish it. Dali lang. The garnish that I will be using will be some grapes, cherries, and then prosciutto, and then some tomato. I know, sorry, olive tomato and Dubliner cheese and some pretzels. So I will just garnish it para makaon kita dayon. Dali lang. So here is our fully garnished crab and cream cheese wonton. Ta-da! Ta-da! So very easy to make, very few recipes, very few things to need. So, kaunta everyone. Thanks for watching.